Hi, welcome friends. Do you know what hypnosis is? Do you know how hypnosis works? Do you know how self-hypnosis can help you program your mind and achieve what you want to achieve? My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I am from Hyderabad and I am doing hypnosis since 1972. And I have trained the top level sportsmen in the world, in India. And I help thousands of people to achieve their goal using hypnosis and self-hypnosis. So my friend, hypnosis is a powerful tool and we are doing a free webinar on hypnosis on Friday, which is the date 25th of September, Friday. We are doing it in evening between 7:30, starting at 7:30 at Zoom. You will learn there what hypnosis is, what actual hypnosis is, because most of the people doesn't know actually what it is. And then you will learn how our conscious mind, subconscious mind, universal mind works. You will learn the myths surrounding hypnosis. Then you will learn how subconscious mind is being programmed using self-hypnosis. Then you will learn about the power of imagination. Then very important thing which I work with the sportsmen, the power of words. Plus many more things we will discuss, and I'll show you with the example, with the certain thing you will experience in that webinar. So my friend, this webinar is happening on Friday, 25th September, 7:30 at Zoom. And it's free, totally free. So you can come, you can bring your friends, you are really interested in learning hypnosis, to know more about hypnosis and know something really useful to program your mind to become successful. This training, this free webinar is for you and your family. Bring your family member also there. So my friend, it is happening on there. Click on the link below or call us on the number given there. To register, we have a limited seats. So register right now and see you on Friday, 25th of September, 7:30 sharp on Zoom. Once you register, we'll send you the Zoom link. Thank you very much and see you there, and all the best.